In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Microsoft Project. We'll do this in the desktop version of Microsoft Project, such as Project Professional or Project Standard. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a repeating task like a weekly status meeting, a monthly review, or any cycle of work that happens on a schedule. Start by opening your project and switching to the Gantt chart view so you can clearly see your task list and timeline. If you're not already there, go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart. Next, decide where the recurring task should appear. Click the row below the spot where you want it inserted. Project will place the recurring task above the row you select, so this click matters for organization. Now open the recurring task dialog. On the Task tab, click the lower half of the Task button, sometimes labeled Insert, and choose Recurring Task. This opens a dedicated window where you'll define the series. Enter the task name first. Give it something clear and consistent so it's easy to find later. Then, set the duration. This is the length of each occurrence, not the total time across the entire series. For example, if your status meeting lasts 1 hour, enter that duration for each occurrence. Choose the recurrence pattern. You can pick daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. From there, refine the pattern, perhaps every Tuesday and Thursday, or every 3 weeks, or the first Monday of every month. Use a pattern that matches how your team actually works. Define when it starts and ends. Set the start date for the first occurrence, then choose whether the series should end after a specific number of occurrences or end by a particular date. If your organization observes holidays or has non-working days, keep in mind that Project will schedule occurrences according to a working calendar, so the actual dates may shift around those non-working times. Optionally, choose a task calendar. If this recurring task follows a different schedule, like a night shift, pick that calendar so each occurrence respects those working hours. You can also check Scheduling Ignores Resource Calendars if you need the task to occur at those times even when assigned resources aren't available. Use this carefully. It can intentionally overrule resource availability for events like mandatory meetings. Click OK to finish. Project inserts a summary task with all the occurrences nested beneath it. You'll see a recurring task icon in the Indicators column. Expand or collapse the summary to review the series, and you're done.